Trading on Bybit involves several steps. Registration. Sign up for an account on the Bybit website by providing your email address and creating a password. Complete the verification process, including KYC requirements. Deposit funds. Deposit cryptocurrency into your Bybit wallet. Bybit currently supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Navigate to trading interface. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trading interface. Bybit offers various trading pairs, including Bitcoin/USD, Ethereum/USD, and others. Place orders. Decide whether you want to go long or short on a particular trading pair based on your analysis. Use market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to specify a price at which you want your order to execute. Manage positions. Monitor your open positions closely. You can set stop loss and take profit orders to manage risk and lock in profits. Withdraw profits. When you're ready to withdraw your profits, navigate to the withdrawal section and specify the amount and cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Security measures. Enable two-factor authentication and use other security features offered by Bybit to secure your account. Continuous learning. Keep learning about trading strategies, risk management techniques, and market analysis to improve your trading skills.